Alright, that's it for the Moto GP trip. You see the huge mob of people that are rolling out. Here's the Ducati boys, we're all about to roll. Kind of waiting on the bikes to warm up. My bike still got the cold engine light on. I think Brandon's probably still a little cold right now. Not sure what the point of those cones were, but okay. Alright, there we go. Cold engine lights off. It's both lanes. Yeah, I'm happy that we left early. We dipped the hell out of there. Max is the 2-hat guy right now. Yesterday when I left the track by myself, when those guys were still back there doing the commemorative lap for the cycle corral, I took a right back there instead of going this way and ended up way the hell out of the way from where I was supposed to be. It was not a fun time. It took me forever to get back to the AirBNB. We're just in a mad dash now though to get back to the AirBNB, load up the bikes, and head back to Dallas, get back home. I think we're a little ahead of schedule. We're going to try to be back by 8 o'clock, but I think with us being ahead of schedule, it may be possible for us to be there close to like 7 or 7:30 even, which would be super nice. There's another big old American flag for us. Damn, this traffic sucks. I think he's thinking about splitting it up. Very good move, very good move. Damn, Max is dipping. He's trying to get home. I've never seen my boy ride like this. As I think most people know that watch the channel, or as you can probably tell from the name of the channel, I'm actually Korean, half Korean, so I'm like a tanner skinned guy, so normally the sun doesn't bother me too much, but I got absolutely cooked out there yesterday at the track. At least my neck did, and the back of my jacket just rubbing right on that neck right now, just making it feel raw. Arms and everything were fine, face isn't too bad. Tops of my ears could be a little better, but mainly it's just the neck. Alright, Brandon made it over in our lane, good. All good. I'm worn out from this weekend. Definitely ready to get home and chill for a few days. Oh, I'm actually so frustrated in traffic. I feel your pain, brother. I definitely do. We got some new random enduro boy leading the pack. Come on, people, I'm ready to get the hell out of here. AirBNB, here we come! Nice, very, very nice. Time to load this puppy up in a trailer, get headed back to the Big D. Alright, we're back here at the B&B. That's going to conclude the Moto GP Austin trip. Hopefully everyone enjoyed the content that came out of this trip. More importantly, I enjoyed it.